What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to add a link in your bio on your Reddit profile. Now I'm on Reddit mobile, but it is a very similar process on Reddit desktop as well. Obviously you're just going to open up your Reddit app. And Reddit actually makes this a great layout for adding links. It is a lot better than any other platform, and you can add as many links as you want, and it actually looks very good cosmetic wise. So once you're at the home page of your Reddit app, you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper left hand corner, and then click on My Profile, which should be the top of the option of that menu. And then you're going to see your profile right here. And then right below your username, sort of at the top there is a button that says Add Link. And it's going to bring up this menu here for a bunch of different platforms. Now, the only unfortunate part about this, though, is that there's only the select sort of social medias that they have listed there. So if you wanted a link from something that's not listed there, you can't really add a link. It's really the approved sort of social medias there, so that they don't really have like some random links there. But of course, there are some 18 plus sites like OnlyFans, so you could still have that in your Reddit bio. Just no random sites that Reddit doesn't want people clicking on links on, which really makes a lot of sense. But as you can see, it is pretty self-explanatory from there. You could just see that you click on the add social link, you title it what you want to title it as it shows up on your profile. It's still going to have the logo of the social media that you have, and then you just copy and paste your link and save it. And then whenever somebody comes across your profile, they could just see like my YouTube right at the top of my Reddit profile there, and could just click on my profile from there. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you were confused or you had any questions on how this works, be sure to comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.